You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, one of the longest words in the world, at least mentioned in literature. We'll be looking at how to say more long words too. So this is the name of a fictional dish mentioned in Aristophanes, a Greek author, ancient Greek, and it counts with 183 characters. So how do you say it? Lopadotemachoselachogaleokranioleipsano carabemolito katakekimeko kiklepico peristeralek trionoptekephalio kliklopelio lagoyosa raioba fetraganoptericon is how, roughly you pronounce that. I guess you'd have to be Greek really to pronounce it perfectly, but that was my best shot, and now you got it. More videos for you here to learn more interesting words pronunciations. Those are actually pronounced correctly. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.